Alright, here we go. Another beautiful day here in Klamath Falls, riding the bike. I got going down to Klamath Falls, or I'm in Klamath Falls going down South 6th Street. It is a real beautiful day. The city of Klamath Falls just recently swept the streets, you know, that big giant street sweeper, and that's pretty nice. There's a little bit of a headwind. I'm gonna go down to bike shop, Radji's bike shop, and say hi to a few friends, hang out, and do a quick maintenance check on my bike. I'm hearing a noise in the wheel, front wheel, and a little clicking thing. I really hope that I didn't break another spoke, because that would be like my 7th one in the last 2 months. It gets kind of old, but you know, a beautiful day like this, you know, one broken spoke on a decent ride like this is okay. I just hope I don't have a broken spoke. But this is like the very first day that there was actually blue skies and the sun's out. Uh-oh, something broke. Something's up. Well, I have no power. I think. Alright, well, pretty good headwind. I'm going about 16 miles an hour. That's pretty good. I've hit almost every single green light so far, so that's pretty nice. Pretty amazing. Crazy day. Oh, here comes the red light up here. Oh, it's green. I'm going for it. Yeah. Woo, get a good workout. Oh, here comes a little sand. Oh, shit. There we go. I do not like sand, because that's when I definitely fall. I think I just cussed too. I think that's the first time I'll ever cuss on the YouTube. Ooh, another green light. Can I make it? Woo! 13 miles an hour. And I hit almost every single green light. Woo, that's a first. Here comes the red light. I know I'm going to stop here. Woo. Yeah, I definitely want to stop. But as I stop, that's when the light's going to turn green. All right, stay tuned.